This episode is really about respecting your own mind. Not fear, not traffic police, not fines, not log kya kahenge. Just using your head to protect it because it's worth it. The road too, you got that right. Using your head. Only on the UD Roadcast. Something funny happened the other day. Someone asked me, UD sir, bhai, तू हेलमेट पे इतने पैसे क्यों खर्च करता है? Oh yeah, अभी वीडियो में कैमरा में I can just show you three of them. I've got three more helmets behind the camera hanging on the wall. Anyways, when that question was asked to me, I smiled. A helmet is not an expense, but an investment. हेलमेट सिर्फ एक राइडिंग एक्सेसरी नहीं है. It represents something much bigger. Awareness, responsibility, discipline, and honestly, respect for your brain. But over the years, I've heard every possible excuse for not wearing one, for not wearing a helmet, I mean. हेयर स्टाइल खराब हो जाएगा. हेलमेट पहनने से ना सुनाई नहीं देता, कूल नहीं लगता है. पास ही तो जाना है, हेलमेट की क्या जरूरत है? मतलब दिमाग की कुछ कीमत ही नहीं है क्या? कभी कभी मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है that people ensure phones are faster then they protect their brains. फोन गिर गया तो पैनिक, स्क्रीन क्रैक हो गया तो टेंशन, लेकिन हेड इंजरी, अरे कुछ नहीं होता यार. Guys, believe me, as a rider, I have seen too much. Too many close calls, too many careless moments, too many people treating roads like video games, and roads don't forgive stupidity very easily. I still remember one incident very clearly. मैं राइड करके गोवा से पूना वापस आ रहा था. I had finished riding the ghats and I had come and joined the Bangalore-Pune highway somewhere near Belgaum or Karad. And I was riding peacefully. I reached Satara, 100 kilometers short of Pune. Two guys on a sports motorcycle, a sports bike. मैं brand का नाम नहीं लूंगा. They zipped past me, flying past me from the wrong side. Zap करके निकले. Two of them. No helmets, no shoes, on wearing slippers. वो एक और बड़ा problem है. Swerving through traffic like maniacs, man. You know that feeling when you instantly know, which comes from years of riding experience, जब इन ऐसा बिहेवियर देखा, ये ज्यादा देर नहीं टिकने वाला. Hardly 2 kilometers ahead, traffic had stopped. पूरी भीड़ जमी थी रोड पे. अचानक I parked the motorcycle on the left. I stopped rather, and I peeked into that crowd and I saw that same motorcycle crashed lying in the middle of the highway. The rider, his entire brain was opened and splattered on the highway. वो जो पिलियन थे उसकी टांग में बहुत चोट लगी थी, and he was howling like a uncontrollable madman. Obviously, यार, वो सदमा, that shock, and seeing the guy he was riding with, his brain splattered right in front of his eyes. Oh my God. Scary, man. That image never leaves me. वैसे वाले, and I've seen lot other accidents also in different parts of the country where especially youngsters who don't respect safety on the road and safety gear. And in moments like that, you stop thinking about style, image, coolness. Reality becomes very simple. A helmet could have changed everything. And this is the part many people forget. एक हेलमेट सिर्फ राइडर को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करता है, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द मदर वेटिंग एट होम, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द फादर वेटिंग एट होम, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द वाइफ वेटिंग एट होम, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द हस्बैंड वेटिंग एट होम, it protects the child waiting at home. It protects the people you love. Responsibility looks attractive to me. Carelessness doesn't. And honestly, this episode is not about fear. I'm not trying to scare anyone. मैं किसी को डराना नहीं चाहता. Fear fades quickly, दोस्तों. Awareness stays longer. And you know what's interesting? Communication skills भी हेलमेट की तरह काम करते हैं. And people avoid both for similar reasons. हेलमेट या communication skills. जरूरत क्या है? मैं naturally बोल लेता हूं. सब चल रहा है, चलने दो यार. Why put in so much effort? Until pressure hits. An interview goes wrong. A relationship breaks down. A misunderstanding explodes. A conflict escalates. And suddenly people realize शायद कम्युनिकेशन पे काम कर लेना चाहिए था. हेलमेट क्या करता है? डैमेज रिड्यूस करता है. कम्युनिकेशन अवेयरनेस भी वही करता है. It protects relationships, opportunities, reputation, emotional stability, human connection. लाइफ में ना प्रिवेंशन बोरिंग लगता है until crisis arrives. Then prevention becomes wisdom. हेलमेट भी प्रिवेंशन है, communication skills भी. Observe carefully, prepare consciously, protect what matters. रोड पे अवेयरनेस जरूरी है और लाइफ में कम्युनिकेशन अवेयरनेस. If you genuinely want to improve how to speak, how to express, how to handle pressure, how to connect with people, you know where to find me. Use your head, literally and metaphorically too. Hey, thank you for watching. This is the UD Roadcast. Every day is a reason to smile. Every day is a reason to ride. Of course. कहाँ चले next ride? Take care. I love you all. Stay hydrated, stay motivated, be kind, be nice to everyone, and smile for no reason. And remember, don't do anything that I wouldn't. I love you all.